And the more we have variants and stuff popping up in places like India, especially where they've already got different partnerships, this is only going to help the stock long term in general. Hey guys, welcome to Dreamcoin, where we show you how to invest for a better tomorrow. My name is Tyler, and today we're going to be doing a quick video on Ocugen, otherwise known as ticker OCGN, where I see their stock price going into the next few weeks and potentially year, and why I think this is going to be a pretty safe investment for you over the long term as we go forward. Ocugen is most famously known for helping develop a vaccine for COVID-19. They're still running through their process of it, but especially with the issues going on in India, where they're starting to lose control against the virus again, and different parts of the world getting variants. The more vaccines we have as a variety is going to be very good in general, especially with different companies looking at different ways to help mitigate those. So them having a COVID-19 vaccine definitely puts them in a safe spot in the pharma sector for things they're trying to do with that. And they're also trying to develop gene therapies that go alongside blindness and trying to keep people from going blind with these, or be able to reverse the effects of different diseases on the eyes. So they have a lot of things that are basically going to set them up long term to be able to have a nice niche carved out in the pharma market. So as I've already said, they are working on a few different gene therapy platforms. They've also got stuff they're working with related to age-related blindness, whether that's wet or dry. And their main vaccine that they're working on for COVID-19 is called Covaxin. They do already have some partnerships set up in India, which is going to be very interesting for them with the new stuff happening with India and the news of the US sending raw materials to India for support. So this could definitely launch them even higher than they were last week, since they were already around that $13-14 range before their share offering. And this is just going to allow them to continue to grow their position in the market. And for anybody concerned with the volatility of Ocugen right now, the reason why they dropped significantly from above $13 last week was because they had $100 million of direct common stock offered to the market, and this is expected to close April 27th, which would be tomorrow. So this could keep the price down for the time being, just due to this news kind of looming over and the fact that it's not entirely closed yet. But as soon as market opened today, ticker OCGN was running a decent bit to start the day, showing a little bit of fight against that direct common offering with the news of the India variant and the US sending those raw materials and everything like that for vaccines. So once this closes tomorrow, I could see this being a significant driver for them going forward, especially with big tech having earnings this week and all of those moving up. I could see a lot of the major indexes kind of rising through the next week or two, and this is just going to help fluctuate a lot of the market upwards into a more positive trend. Now, as we look at the chart for OCGN, we are about 30 minutes after market open today, and they're kind of sitting around this $11 range, consolidating. They sat around $11.15 pre-market most of the time, shot up to almost $12, and they're kind of just sitting here after like a small downward trend. I would assume a lot of sell-offs happening around open. They're already up about 16% for the day, and I could see them continually moving throughout the day as we go forward. You can see their price movements since April 20th. They've been consistently going up over time, especially with a lot of the stuff coming out with COVID and everything. This is only going to help their stock go forward. And the more we have variants and stuff popping up in places like India, especially where they've already got different partnerships, this is only going to help the stock long term in general. Down here, I've got a special indicator that is an RSI VWAP. So basically, it's volume weighted average price weighed into the RSI. So it's the actual price movement of the target right now as overbought and oversold versus trying to compare it to the close price of previous market day. And so right now it is in a very overbought range after shooting down to oversold. It's kind of stagnating out into that average range, and I could see it sitting here for a little while, maybe for like an hour or two, going into 11 a.m. noon, that lunch break usually that happens during market. And aside from that, I could see it trending between this like 30 range up until possibly the 80s and 90s most of the day, just due to the fact that I think there's gonna be a lot of hype with the news. I could could see a lot of people having a fear of missing out on this stock running, so a lot of people might be trying to get their hands on it before it runs up again. Where I see this long term, I could see this, especially with the stuff in India, if their stuff is able to become one of the main targets of the India variant. This could easily put the stock over $20 here short term, and I think if they are able to get their gene therapy stuff fully going forward, I could see them in the next year or two possibly hitting that $30 to $50 range, really just depending on where they can get positioned in the marketplace with their stuff that they're working on as a whole. And for anybody that's not already in the Discord, we do have a Dream Team Discord for a lot of the different stocks that I call and things to look out for, whether it's crypto or stocks or anything like that that you're interested in. We have everything in here for you. We've got a stock talk channel where you can talk to people about different stocks, and crypto obviously for the same thing. We've got this market news here where it can kind of show you if something's a certain percent up and down during the day. Usually it's about 5% it triggers and pings you. It'll tell you related news for things we're subscribed to in real time, so you don't have to go digging for that stuff as you go forward. We also have more of an in-depth watch list where I'll kind of tell you my price targets for stuff going into the week and show my charts for stuff I'm looking at as well. And this includes stuff that I have long-term, end of year, and also for the current month for my price targets that I'm looking for. And then I do have a bot set up that gives you good entry points and exit points for stocks based on indicators and algorithms going on my trading view charts, and it pings and sends alerts automatically to the Discord. So if all this is stuff that you're interested in, this would be a good chance for you to get in, come talk to the community and see how you can set yourself up better for your trades and how to enter and exit them a little more fluidly. Other than that, that's going to do it for me in this video today, guys, and I hope I brought you a lot of decent information on Ocugen. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.